Namaste. I'm Izichi Ade. This is the Golden Circle Movement Channel. Today I'd like to discuss Earth energy. So, when we stand upon the living Earth, this living entity has chakras. Just as we have 7 chakras, the Earth has 12. These 12 energy centers are considered very powerful, spiritually powerful energy sites. So, many call these sacred sites. But the most important thing I want to convey is that the energy of the Earth replenishes us. The Earth's energy is our recharge. Going into nature, into the water, the oceans, flying into the air and the sky. This Earth and we beings upon it are codependent. Now, we do know the Earth doesn't need us. Without us, humans, the Earth would flourish and thrive on its own. However, the Earth plays a particular cosmic role in this ascension process. So, this Earth is a school, is an educational center. And so, we young, evolving beings of light who have once before, many times before, helped the Earth grow, transform through our combined human, spiritual energies. So, we know that there is energy all around us. This planet is made of that energy. But in this form, as this planetary body, all of us born here on this Earth have a thin connecting line from our root chakra straight down to the center of this living Earth. When we perform yoga, tai chi, qigong, exercises that draw energy through the meridians of the body, we can focus on positive energy, expelling negative energy from us, raising the vibration of that portion of the Earth that we have influence over, and we can raise not only our vibration, but the vibration of the Earth as we grow and send our thoughts, our intentions into the universe. Being that we are here on this Earth, it benefits the Earth. It raises the vibration of the Earth. It allows the Earth to give more energy to those who love the Earth. So, when we are in our poses, our positions, Breathing in and exhaling positive energy, releasing negative. It's very cleansing, very stimulating. We find that when we go among other humans, now we are more effective because we have that positive energy filling us, raising all those connected to us. When we pass away and we return in a new body, a new life, a small shadow of that memory remains. And as we are guided down a path that brings us back into connection with the energies of the earth, we find that it's very natural for us to be this way, to draw in this energy, this chi, prana, organ, whatever name you know it by, in this life. And as we raise our vibration, cleansing ourselves of the negativities of the past, our attachments, we find that we are more capable, more effective in fulfilling our missions here in creating paradise on earth. Are you in touch with earth energy? What form do you know it by? How do you use it? I'd like to hear your comments, your questions below. This is the Golden Circle Movement channel. Thank you for all of your subscriptions. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe to this channel. Make sure that you ring the notification bell so you know when new videos are uploaded. And like and share this video. It does help the channel. I'm Ezechi Ade. Thank you so much for all of your participation. Namaste.